Hello everyone, how to calculate employee salary automatically in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, employee's name, per hour salary and total hours. So first select the total hours column. So I select the cell and drag the mouse and select here entire column. Then right click on the mouse and click on the copy option, and after that select the per hour salary column. So I drag with the mouse and select here entire column. Then right click on the mouse and click on the space special option, and here the space special dialog box is open. Then select here the multiply option, just click on this, and after that click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see your salary is calculated. Just edit here column name. I just simply double click on and enter here salary. That's it. This is a way you can quickly and automatically calculate salary in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.